Right, hi guys, and today you're joining us to do a tutorial all about butterflies and paper butterflies. So today you will need a piece of paper, scissors and a glue stick. So first of all, we're going to fold this piece of paper into like a triangle, and then we're going to cut off the excess, and then this gives us a perfect square. And now you're going to open that up, and then you're going to fold that the other way. And I'm going to unfold it, and then we're going to do it as a square now. And then we're going to keep it like that. And do you see these folded lines? We're going to push these out on both sides. And then we're going to push this bit in. Then we're going to do the same to the other side. And then you're going to fold this in half where it's folded already. And then you're going to make this end rounded. And then you're going to fold these down. And then you're going to get the end. And then you're going to fold it over. This is the butterfly that you should turn out with. And if you don't get it, it did take a couple of times for me to get it, so I'm sure you'll get it eventually. So that's it for today. Bye!